The 2025 Toyota HiAce Luxury model is a premium version of the well-known HiAce, designed to provide both comfort and performance. This model is built with a focus on high-end features, making it ideal for business executives, VIP transport, and families seeking a spacious and comfortable ride. The exterior design of the 2025 HiAce Luxury is sleek and modern, featuring a bold front grille, LED headlights, and a refined aerodynamic shape. The vehicle stands out with chrome accents, stylish alloy wheels, and a choice of premium colors that enhance its sophisticated look. The sliding doors are electronically operated for ease of access, making entry and exit effortless for passengers. The interior is where the HiAce Luxury truly excels, offering plush leather seats with adjustable settings, heating, and ventilation. The spacious cabin is designed to provide maximum comfort, with ample legroom and headroom for all passengers. The seats are arranged to allow easy movement, and some configurations even offer reclining options for a first-class travel experience. The dashboard is equipped with a digital infotainment system featuring a large touchscreen, navigation, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto compatibility. The sound system is premium quality, providing crystal-clear audio for entertainment during long journeys. Multiple USB ports, wireless charging, and ambient lighting further enhance the luxurious feel of the cabin. The 2025 HiAce Luxury model is powered by a high-performance engine that ensures smooth and efficient driving. The vehicle comes with a choice of a turbocharged diesel or petrol engine, both offering excellent fuel efficiency and power. The automatic transmission system provides seamless gear shifts, ensuring a comfortable and hassle-free driving experience. The advanced suspension system absorbs road imperfections, making every ride smooth and enjoyable. Toyota has equipped the 2025 HiAce Luxury with state-of-the-art safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. The vehicle is also fitted with multiple airbags, ABS, electronic stability control, and automatic emergency braking to ensure the highest level of safety for passengers. Driver assistance features such as parking sensors and collision avoidance technology make maneuvering the HiAce Luxury easy, even in tight spaces. The climate control system in the HiAce Luxury is designed for maximum comfort, with dual-zone or even tri-zone automatic climate control to maintain the perfect temperature for all passengers. Air purification and noise insulation technology further enhance the travel experience, ensuring a quiet and refreshing ride. Storage options are plentiful, with overhead compartments, underseat storage, and a spacious rear cargo area to accommodate luggage and other essentials. The HiAce Luxury is designed to cater to both personal and business needs, making it a versatile choice for various applications. Whether used as a corporate shuttle, a high-end family van, or a luxury tour vehicle, it delivers on all fronts with its combination of comfort, performance, and technology. The vehicle also supports hybrid technology in some markets, offering an eco-friendly alternative for those looking to reduce their carbon footprint while still enjoying the benefits of a luxury vehicle. Toyota's reputation for reliability and durability is evident in the 2025 HiAce Luxury, which is built with high-quality materials and advanced engineering. The maintenance costs are reasonable compared to other luxury vans, and Toyota's extensive service network ensures easy access to repairs and spare parts. The resale value of the HiAce remains strong due to its dependability and high demand in various markets. The driving experience is smooth and effortless, with responsive steering and a well-balanced chassis that ensures stability at all speeds. The vehicle is equipped with intelligent driving modes that adjust performance based on road conditions, ensuring optimal efficiency and comfort. The fuel efficiency of the HiAce Luxury makes it a cost-efficient choice for long-distance travel, making it a preferred option for professional transport services. The HiAce Luxury also offers customizable options, allowing buyers to choose from different interior layouts, entertainment upgrades, and additional comfort features. Some versions come with executive lounge seating, privacy partitions, and premium upholstery for a truly elite experience. Toyota's attention to detail is evident in every aspect of the 2025 HiAce Luxury, from the high-quality finishes to the advanced technology integrated into the vehicle. The 2025 HiAce Luxury represents the pinnacle of comfort, safety, and performance in a luxury van, making it an excellent choice for those who prioritize premium features and reliability.